Hello, my name is Mariann and I'm actually finished as a professor or teacher of English and German. During the course of my work, I had the opportunity to deepen my knowledge in languages, and I turned into another direction. I turned into being a copywriter, an English, Croatian, even German and Hungarian, because these are actually languages that I speak. So I'm a polyglot, I speak a lot of languages. And copywriters read a lot. So that is why I have certain things in my hands just to show you my interest. For example, copywriters read a lot of stuff that they like. For example, coffee. Here are some ads. You can engage me for writing an ad or writing a website. And I can also SEO optimize your website because I'm also very knowledgeable in SEO. Always keep these ads in my portfolio, and actually I get some inspiration by reading from them. So I'm also doing SEO, and the maybe last bit, but also not the least important, is I do LinkedIn consulting and I do LinkedIn content writing too, so I can make your profile. Thank you for being here and enjoy in reading my content.